Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video on Hyperliquid. Had to make a video on it. I mean, it's been incredibly strong. This is by far. I've said this twice already today, so I cannot be. One time I was lying, but Hyperliquid is one of the strongest cryptos in the markets right now. It's right now almost it's in the top 20. Actually entered the top 20 earlier today. But if you take a look at the last 7 days, you can see that, Pudgy Penguins went up more, but that's a bit of a sham because that did not really happen. Movement also up 66%, but that is at a market cap of $2.4 billion. Hyperliquid at $8.9 billion in the market cap went up 60% in the last 7 days, 900% in the last 30 days, which I'm very happy about because I got the airdrop. I sold a lot of it very early though, so that's not that great. But no, I mean, look at this chart. All right, Hyperliquid has been doing great in terms of other chains. You can also see that the TVL, the total value locked on Hyperliquid, has grown by a huge amount. TVL is right now 2.6. Sui is still higher, but we're getting there. But it has surpassed Avalanche, it has surpassed Aptos, it has surpassed Polygon. So it's doing great fundamentally and obviously also technically. We had a bit of a pullback, of course, over the last week, which was a little bit more bearish. But in the end, this was very much just a bullish flag, as you can see. Bullish flag, which ended with some huge buys coming in over the course of yesterday afternoon, when there was a bit more recovery in the markets. Broke above that previous all-time high, still found some resistance at $30, but now also have broken above that, and everything is looking great for Hyperliquid. Now, does that mean, or it's obviously not going to continue forever? So therefore, I mean, even though the chart looks great right now, and I think the fundamentals look great as well, is this an easy buy? I do think you should have some some hype or some other ecosystem coins. Like, for example, personally, I hold some HFun, Hyperfun. I think that still has potential. Two of the biggest meme coins are Purr and Pip as well. This one, the Hyperliquid one, relatively low market cap. I bought some Rage yesterday, Rage Trade. I think that still has potential. But also something like Farm has potential. This one. Which you can see on Hyperliquid. So I would get exposure to the Hyperliquid ecosystem. And I do think it's most likely for Hype to continue going up here as well. Because the price, I mean, you can see with all the volume we have for Hype right now, the price is very much... Wait, can I please get the volume? Yeah, but you see the volume is actually going up with the breakout, right? So what that means is that buyers and sellers agree that this is a fair breakout, a fair imbalance of the price. So therefore, it's most likely to hold. So what looks most likely to me in terms of the price of Hyperliquid, not talking about the fundamentals, etc., I think this is a real breakout. I do expect some sort of a pullback here into $30, potentially even, like, as long as we hold this level at like 28 and 28.5, we're fine. But I do expect that pullback, but ultimately I think we're going for 40. 40 would be my next target. It's a major psychological level, and I also do think, even though that's a bit of a guess, also do think there's a 1.6, there's a 2.618 there actually. So yeah, that's what I expect for Hyperliquid right now. That's what I think you need to know regarding the ecosystem. Don't miss this. This is right now, if you look at most charts on Hyperliquid, they're all looking great. They're actually building some amazing products as well. So check it out. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.